Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I have an exciting topic for you you'll really enjoy. So now I'm going to give you 5 signs to know that a person truly loves you. I know that understanding a person's feelings can sometimes be tricky, but the good news is love often shows itself in a true and meaningful way. So now I'm going to give you 5 signs to know that a person truly loves you. Number 1 is that they make out time for you. No matter how busy a person gets, they prioritize spending time with the person they love, whether it's in a cozy date night or simply enjoys each other's company. And number 2 is that they listen and engage. Genuinely listen to what you have to say. They remember details about your life. They listen and engage. This simply shows that a person loves you. Third thing is that they support you. Now, a person in love will always encourage your goals and dreams and celebrate your success. They'll always be there for you during tough times and they want you to thrive. Now, the fourth thing is that it introduces you to their circle. If they are serious about you, they'll want to meet their friends and family. This shows that they are proud to have you in their life and want to integrate into your life. So anybody that does not introduce you to their circle, either their friends or family, is skeptical about that person or that person's love. Now, the fifth thing is that they show affection, whether through sweet gesture, compliments, or physical touch. Their affection will always be evident. Now, love is often expressed in small acts of kindness and intimacy. Now, you have the 5 signs to show that a person truly loves you. To our new viewers, you are welcome. And to our returning subscribers, thanks for always staying true. We just want you to know that we love you and you are the reason why we are still keeping strong. Bye.